Okay, so I'm reinstalling my evaporator core in my blower motor. Um, I replaced the evaporator core; it's brand new. I also replaced the expansion valve. Um, so the expansion valve and the evaporator core is inside the HVAC box. You have to remove this. It's really easy to get to. Uh, you have to remove the glove box, the cover, and the bracket that goes from here to here. Once that's off, pretty easy. You can remove both the HVAC box and the blower motor. I can't remember if they come out. I think they come out together, or I think the HVAC goes on top of the blower motor. So I need to reinstall the blower motor first, and then install the HVAC box on top of it, because it has this bolt on the lower right hand side right here goes on goes right there. So need to reinstall that. And then I just wanted to say, so if you get this replaced, the expansion valve replaced, you get super tape from Harbor Freight, and you wrap it up. It's self-bonding tape, and it's like sweat protecting and insulation. And you gotta wrap the sensor and the complete expansion valve. Wrap it up several times to make sure to isolate the temperatures from the air going through here, just so it could sense the temperatures on the pipe. I'm replacing the evaporator core, which is this thing, and but you do have to clean two pipes, this pipe and then this pipe that is right here attached to the expansion valve, and they basically both lead to here. So these are extra pipes. You have to clean these and reinstall them. Other than that, it's pretty easy. I went ahead and did aluminum foil tape on the insides right here, just on the inside. On that side, I mean, not on this side of the locks, but just on this side where the air is blowing in, so we could get like cold air. See, I lined it all the way around, and I also put aluminum foil here, which is going to kind of isolate the heat that gets through here. This gets kind of warm. At least I think it does. But other than that, everything's pretty clean. This is where the outside air comes in from. Um, Everything's pretty clean here, no cobwebs or anything. And this is where the air goes in. So blower motor goes here. It goes through the HVAC box, and then my heater core should be, I think, on the other side of that somewhere. So I'm guessing that for the heater core, I need to get it from the other side of the dash. But this is a 93 Nissan Sentra. 91 through 94 should all be the same. Pretty clean car. Everything's basically all stock. This radio headset you get at Walmart, no CD player, and literally just installs right into. It's like this thin. It literally just installs with some side screws on there. You don't have to like mess with like the whole box. Just leave everything original. And this is a pretty original car. A little dirty, but it's all good. LED, everything. Look at that bright LED. We got LEDs on the exterior also. But anyways, so to uninstall these things, I mean, you get the bolts from underneath it. I think it's only 3 bolts for this, but you got to make sure on the HVAC box, of course, you have to remove these pipes from underneath the hood, from the AC lines, the high and the low, in order for it to come out. And that's about it. I'm just gonna reinstall it. Obviously, I'm not gonna get on video. I wouldn't be able to.